Hi there, Andrew Thompson here from Precision Market Trading. I've been pretty quiet the last 3 or 4 weeks. I've been working away, haven't been able to get near anywhere where I can make a recording. But I'm back on track now. It's probably one of my last videos for this year. And the metals, it looks like, for my opinion, the metal stocks, the material stocks have made a low. As you know, I've had a couple of false starts on BHP in the past. Once again, I've done the work on that. BHP is a buy to me. I'm not going to put anything up at the moment though. I'm a bit sick of seeing that go wrong. Having said that, we haven't lost any money. We bought two of the previous lows, made money on one, we lost money on the other. Pretty well we came out even, so we had a go and it didn't cost anything. This chart here is a weekly for copper. I think the metals stocks are going to have hit lows and are going to get a wriggle on though, because I believe copper has hit its low. To show you this goes back to 2001, the low of 60 cents in copper, and all the way over here, low $2.02. It's done that in 730 weeks. You know that's 2 times my circle, 360 degrees. Yeah, so it's done 2 times 730. You've seen it on many videos of mine how well that works. The range, incidentally, between the two is $1.42, pretty close to $1.44. 144 works beautifully to any natural resource, so that's looking good too. From this top up here down to a couple of weeks ago's low is 246 bars. 246 is half of 492. You might recall our GFC top to our GFC low in the market was 492 and 495 days. Happens a lot, especially in the metals markets, this number. And the top, just as an incidental, was 465. I posted something on my Twitter feed a few hours ago on the numbers coming in on the SPY at 468. 468, 465, 466, 2 times 233. I implore you, I beg you, when you see a top or a bottom coming in at 233 or 466, you go the other way. That is a very, very powerful number. So this was the actual top, 465, and it's got slaughtered. So believe me when it happens. One of these days I'm going to do a video on that particular number and you'll see exactly what I mean. But for me, the metals have hit a low. That's why the last couple of days we've been going long metal stock. This one here is IGO, Independence Group. It's been flogged too, all the way up from $9 plus over here, down to the recent low a few days ago, $2.11. Once again, I mentioned on the Twitter feed a few days ago that I was keen on this and buying it. Reasons being, and there's a lot more to it than this, but this will do for the moment. We have a double bottom. You know I love double bottoms, double tops. This one was 218. This one here is 211, and we get the midpoint. Okay, from this top all the way up here, $8 plus, down to the midpoint, the range was $6.21. This top, my friends, is $6.21. So that range is confirming the top, is confirming the time, which is exactly the time in between the midpoint. And the time between the midpoint is 617 trading days. There's my 621. There's my 621. And the low was $2.11. And we've gone from top to bottom in 212 degrees. And top to bottom in 218 days, which was this low. So time is equaling price here. So I like it a lot. Third, and last but not least, is S32, the BHP spin-off that was spun off quite a while ago, 6 or 7 months ago. With a new stock, I always look for its birth, the day it was born, and this is the day over here it was born here. And to this low was 144 trading days. Does it get better than that? And from its top, its short-lived top, all the way down to its 96 cents low, was a range of $1.49 and 141. If you average the two, and you know I average a lot, average comes out well, we get 145. So between the three, the metal stocks have been slaughtered the last few months, BHP especially, Fortescue along with them, and everything else that digs anything underground has been flogged. For me, they're a buy. Good luck for that, and we're long. I'll talk to you soon.